Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Let's make some pot stickers in the Trangia 25.8 set. Okay, so here's the set, which I haven't lit yet, but I'm a little bummed out because I got the Gyoza. I got this at Wajimaya. It was, I have my receipt. I'll throw it up on the screen. And I was going to do some barbecue pork buns, except that my steamer rack, which is what inspired this in the first place. So here's my bowl. It doesn't fit. It's too big. So I didn't get the smaller one with me. I only brought the big one. Damn. So that will have to wait for another day. Unfortunately. Let's get the stove lit, and then we'll get to cooking. Fuel here. There we go. I'm going to start off with the simmering on. I think about right there. Let that stove heat up. Yeah, I'm really bummed out about the pork buns. I'll steam them up when I get home. So my plan is to first boil them in the pot, just to thaw them out, and then I'm going to fry them in the pan. So I don't know if they're already thawed out or not. We'll take a look. If they're already thawed out, I might just go straight to frying them. Okay, stubborn packages. No problem. Check these guys out. Yeah, they're a little frozen on the inside, so I'm gonna get these guys in the water. Eight should do it. Usually at home, I throw these in ramen. I'll boil these up and put them in ramen. I'll usually get them to a full. I'll usually boil them. All the way through, but this time I'm gonna try. This is what I'm gonna do, is just thaw them out, so I can get them in the frying pan and crisp them up. So I've got my olive oil here. End up just taking the simmering off because the wasn't really. It seemed like it was taking a little while to get going, so. Maybe I'm just being impatient, but there we go. Now we're getting some flamage. All I basically want to do is steam them a little bit, use the strainer to drain them, and then put them in the frying pan and then crisp them up. So I can always put the simmering back on when I go to fry. So. There we go. Alright, so I found my receipt. The gyoza was $2.99, and the pork buns were $3.99. So, really pretty inexpensive in my opinion. Those are steaming up nicely. There. You know what? They might actually be ready for frying. Get that pulled off. These guys flipped up. Some olive oil in here. Now, because I don't want to put the simmer ring on, so I'm not blasting them with heat. Alright. Oh, really? Okay. I tried to use the chopsticks, but I couldn't really grab them very well, but then I thought, hey, I have prongs with me. Alright, these guys really aren't frying at all. I mean, they're getting hot, but they're not frying like I want, so I'm going to pull the simmer ring off again. See, now almost instantly I can hear them, sizzling. Or maybe the ring was too closed. Excuse me. That's more like it. Get some fry action going. Make sure that they're not sticking. If they are. I did bring my spatula with me. Yeah, they're just sticking to the pan. Damn it. Man, there's a real science to these freaking simmer rings, man. It's like, it's either they're on and it's not hot enough, or we take it off and it's just blasting too hot. It's just not hot enough with it on, too hot with it off. This one's all breaking up. We're getting some color, but yeah. I had a nice fry going, but then as soon as I put the ring on, my flame died down. See if I can open it more. Maybe I actually needed having them almost like a deep fry, just having them in more, almost floating in oil. Because I've had them deep fried before, so. Got a decent flame going. I mean, it's kind of windy, but it's got the wind screen. Hacking away. This one's just all falling apart. You know, I gotta show you this. If I can really zoom in on this. I don't know if you can hear that or not. It's not really frying like I want. And that's how much the simmer ring is closed. If I took it off, it's just at full, full blast. Then again, it's not like I've ever done this before. It's the first time trying this. I mean, I've eaten plenty of pot stickers before. It's just I seem to get cooking more around the outside. Around the center. Although I think a cast iron pan probably would have been better because it evenly distributes the heat. I'm just gonna go ahead and call it. Shut her down. Well, that didn't work out quite like I thought it was going to. Of course, I got a little gyoza sauce to go with it. So. I do like pot stickers though. I wonder if just steaming them, it would have been a lot better. Well, there you go. That's what it looks like. They do actually taste pretty good, I have to say. I guess I'm pretty much a rookie stove user, so. Well. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Maybe give this a try yourself in your own version. I could see you, you know, maybe boil them in the canteen and moving them to a little frying pan, which I might do next time. Just move it to my skillet and try cooking them in the skillet. Maybe more oil and actually frying them, not just trying to brown them. Might have been more successful. So, but you know, if you don't try things, you don't learn anything, right? So. As always, have a good one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.